Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find purple face mask filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera, and to access this filter you have to go to this effect gallery. This is the button. Tap here. Now I'm in trending, so switch it to new, and in new scroll and you will find this filter. Tap on it, and this is the filter. To use this filter, just cover your face and effect will change. So this is the purple face mask. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.